Ever tried climbing Mount Everest? Me neither. But imagine the sheer determination, the grit, and the preparation it takes to even consider such a feat. But I hear it's tough. The treacherous paths, the unpredictable weather, the physical and mental exhaustion. It's a journey that tests every ounce of your being. Earning your first $100,000? It's no different. It's a monumental task that requires relentless effort, strategic planning, and a bit of luck. That's Everest in the financial world, a towering challenge that looms over you, daring you to conquer it. It's this mythical peak everyone talks about, the milestone that signifies you've made it, that you're on your way to financial freedom. You see the Instagram posts, the fancy cars, the influencers telling you to manifest it. They make it look so easy, so effortless. But no one tells you about the base camp struggle, the ramen noodle dinners, the sleepless nights, the sacrifices you have to make, the side hustles that feel like marathons, the endless grind that seems to have no finish line, the constant fear that your bank account is playing hide and seek with your money, the anxiety of not knowing if you'll make it through the month. It's time for some real talk, people. Let's strip away the glamour and get down to the nitty-gritty. Let's climb this money mountain together. Let's share our struggles, our victories, and our strategies, because the journey to the top is never a solo endeavor. It's a collective effort, a community of climbers helping each other reach the summit. Remember those carefree college days? Ramen noodles for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Your biggest worry was that philosophy exam, simple times. Then you enter the real world. Suddenly rent appears out of nowhere, student loans are like that friend who never pays you back, and let's not even talk about the price of avocados. That $100,000 dream, it feels about as distant as world peace. You're stuck in survival mode, battling the monthly bills like a financial gladiator, but hey, at least you have good taste in instant noodles, right? Our brains are weird. Tell someone they can't have something and suddenly they want it more. It's like the forbidden fruit. The same goes for money. When you're constantly focused on what you have, it's easy to fall into a scarcity mindset. You start seeing every expense as a threat, every investment as a gamble. This fear can paralyze you, preventing you from taking the necessary risks to grow your wealth. Time to rewire that brain, my friend. Abundance, not scarcity. Let's go. Want to make more money? Invest in the best asset you have, yourself. I'm not talking about buying a fancy self-help course from some guru promising overnight riches. Think skills, knowledge, education, learn a new language, master a valuable skill, get that certification you've been eyeing. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become to the marketplace. And guess what? A more valuable you translates into a fatter bank account. It's simple economics, people. The side hustle. Remember that time you said, I'm too busy to make more money? Yeah, me neither. We all have the same 24 hours. It's about how you use them. Side hustles are the secret sauce to financial freedom. Drive for Uber, sell handmade crafts on Etsy, become a freelance writer, but like, way funnier than me. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, you're the boss. Set your own hours, be your own CEO, and watch that side hustle income turn into main hustle money. Delayed gratification, a love-hate relationship. In today's fast-paced world, the concept of delayed gratification often feels like a relic of the past. We are constantly bombarded with messages that tell us we can have it all, and we can have it now. We live in a world of instant gratification. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are surrounded by opportunities for quick satisfaction. Want groceries? 2 taps on your phone and it's at your doorstep. The convenience is undeniable, and it's hard to resist the allure of having what we want exactly when we want it. Want to watch the latest episode of your favorite show? Streaming services got you covered. No more waiting for weekly episodes. You can binge watch an entire season in one sitting if you like. But here's the thing about financial success. It's a long game. Unlike the instant gratification we get from a quick purchase or a binge-watching session, building wealth takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. It's about saying no to that impulse purchase today so you can say yes to a brighter future tomorrow. Every time you resist the urge to buy something you don't need, you're making a small but significant step towards financial stability. It's about investing in your 401k instead of buying those designer shoes. While it might not give you the immediate thrill of a new purchase, the long-term benefits are far more rewarding. It's about building a solid financial foundation, brick by metaphorical brick. Each wise financial decision you make adds another brick to your wall of financial security. Trust me, the view from the top is worth it. When you finally reach your financial goals, you'll look back and realize that every moment of patience and every sacrifice was worth it. The journey may be long and challenging, but the rewards are unparalleled. Celebrating milestones, big and small. It's not just about the big wins, it's about recognizing every step you take towards your goals. Look, I get it. Staring at that $100,000 goal can feel like trying to run a marathon on a treadmill. The end seems so far away and the journey never ending. Reached a savings milestone? Treat yourself to a guilt-free dinner. Ramen noodles optional this time. It's these moments of indulgence that make the journey enjoyable. That's why it's crucial to celebrate the small wins along the way. Each small victory is a building block towards your larger goals. Paid off a credit card? Pop that non-alcoholic champagne. These moments are worth celebrating because they signify progress and discipline. Celebrating your progress keeps you motivated and reminds you that you're on the right track. It's a way to acknowledge your hard work and dedication. Every step forward, no matter how small, deserves to be acknowledged. Each small achievement is a testament to your commitment and perseverance. Sharing these moments with friends and family can amplify the joy. It's not just about the financial gain, but the emotional and psychological boost that comes with it. Keep a journal of your milestones. Reflecting on your journey can provide perspective and remind you of how far you've come. As you celebrate, also set new goals. Each milestone is a stepping stone to the next. The journey of financial success is ongoing, and each celebration fuels the next phase. So take a moment to celebrate. Whether big or small, each milestone is a victory worth acknowledging. It's these celebrations that make the journey worthwhile and keep you moving forward. The power of community. Remember those motivational posters that say, "Teamwork makes the dream work"? They're onto something. Surround yourself with people who are on the same financial journey as you. Join online communities, attend workshops, find your tribe. Sharing your goals, challenges, and successes with like-minded individuals can provide invaluable support, motivation, and even a few laughs along the way. Remember, you don't have to climb this mountain alone. There's a whole community of climbers cheering you on. The $100,000 mindset. Earning your first $100,000 isn't just about the money. It's about adopting a new mindset. It's about believing in your ability to achieve financial success. It's about developing financial literacy, setting clear goals, and taking consistent action. It's about embracing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning from your mistakes. The $100,000 mindset is about understanding that your financial destiny is in your hands. So go out there and create the financial future you deserve. Beyond the first $100,000, congratulations. You've reached the summit of Mount $100,000. Take a moment to celebrate your achievement. You've earned it. But don't get too comfortable at the top. The journey doesn't end here. In fact, it's just the beginning. Now it's time to set your sights on even bigger goals. Maybe it's buying your dream home, starting your own business, or achieving financial independence. The skills and mindset you've developed on your journey to $100,000 will serve you well as you continue to climb higher. Section 11, join the journey. So what are you waiting for? The journey to financial freedom starts today. It won't be easy, but trust me, it will be worth it. And hey, we're all in this together. Share your thoughts, your struggles, your triumphs in the comments below. And while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial wisdom and maybe a few more jokes along the way. Let's make some money, people.